Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.